Let's pause here a moment and introduce this young lady. This is Elmer's niece, Ruth Naomi Hansen, who would later marry and acquire the name Sorensen. She was the oldest child of Elmer's younger sister, Laura. Ruth would become a prominent figure in Elmer's life and is featured numerous times throughout this video. With regard to Elmer's education, Ruth mentioned, off camera, that he always wanted to be a teacher and wished he could have continued his education.
Ja, han var så sprungrig, så han kunne tage 200 pund korn og bære sådan her, ikke på ryggen, bære dem her og hen til en vogn.
I was just a little
Han kunne ikke sproget fra skoven af. Så hvis han ikke havde noget mad og var sulten, så gik han ind på en restauration og sagde, om de havde noget, der skulle vaskes op, så han kunne få noget mad. Så han gik ud i skoven, og det var så koldt. Og så var der sådan en hytte. De var 6 mand inde i den lille rum der. 6 mand. Og så havde den ene mand havde en kone, og hun skulle lave mad til dem. Og hun skulle købe ind. Men den dag, hvor hun fik de penge, hun skulle købe ind for, hvad skal jeg kalde det?
Bare fortsæt.
Ja, der gik manden hende, da de andre var ude i skoven. Så da de kom hjem, der var ingen mad, der var ingenting. Og han har ikke fået vasket til hendes laner i et halvt år. Så de måtte selv til at lave noget mad. Onkel, han fortæller det til mig, så griner han. Han siger, du ved, ja.
Ruth conveys that story to us. This story weighed so heavy on Ruth that she was unable to complete it on the video. Thankfully, the husband of Ruth's very dear friends was able to translate and complete the story on Ruth's behalf. Let's listen in.
Hvorfor siger du det? Fordi min mor siger, at jeg er det grimmeste barn. Vi er ikke lige pæne alle sammen, eller? Nej, jeg holder lige lidt.
Once Ruth went with Elmer and Gwen and Clara to a store, and they were sitting on a sofa, Elmer and Ruth. And then Gwen and Clara went upstairs. They had to exchange money. And then sitting next to Elmer on this sofa, Elmer asked Ruth, "Do you really think I'm ugly?" "No," Ruth replies, "I'm devil and you not think you are ugly." "Why?" "Because I was always told by my mother that I was the ugliest child she ever saw. So my mother really didn't love me, I think." Ruth replied and said, "Elmer, you're really a nice guy and you have humor and you have a good heart, and that is really what is the main thing that you are."
Yeah.
Here's Ruth Hansen elaborating on Elmer's employment at the clothing store in Hutchinson, Minnesota.
Og en gang, der var han i en herreekupering, hvor han heller ikke havde noget arbejde. Så gik han ind, så fik han arbejde, så solgte han clothes. Du ved, han gik ikke forbi noget uden han.
Had moved back to Minneapolis from Los Angeles, and as the only sibling living near Elmer, took on the responsibility of watching over Elmer. Thankfully, during this time, Ruth was taking extended winter visits from Denmark and living with Elmer during these stays. Needless to say, she greatly assisted Phyllis in helping with Elmer. Elmer, of course, loved the company of his Danish family, Ruth's insanely good cooking, and the frequent entertaining of old friends.